The Pixel 10a is shaping up to be one of the most confusing and unnecessary phone launches Google has made in recent years. According to recent rumors, Google plans to announce a new phone around mid-February 2026, likely alongside the first beta of Android 17, with a full release expected in early March. That phone is the Pixel 10a, the next model in Google's affordable Pixel series. Normally, a new Pixel phone creates excitement. These devices are known for offering strong value, clean Android software, and decent performance at a lower price. In many cases, they shake up the mid-range market and give tough competition to brands like Samsung and Xiaomi. However, the Pixel 10a seems ready to do the opposite, and not in a good way. The biggest issue is simple: the Pixel 10a is rumored to be almost completely identical to the Pixel 9a. Same design, same hardware, same experience. The only real difference appears to be a few new color options. No meaningful upgrades, no improvements, and no clear reason for this phone to exist. There is nothing fundamentally wrong with the Pixel 9a itself. It is a solid mid-range phone that offers good value for money, as long as expectations are realistic. The camera performance is reliable, the software experience is clean and smooth, and Google's long update support is a big plus. For everyday tasks like social media, messaging, browsing, and casual photography, the Pixel 9a does the job well. That said, the Pixel 9a also has clear weaknesses. The design feels outdated, with a plastic back that does not feel premium and bezels that look thick compared to newer phones. Over time, these design choices become more noticeable and less appealing. Performance is another limitation. While the phone works fine for basic use, it struggles when pushed harder, such as during heavy multitasking or more demanding apps. These compromises are acceptable in a budget-focused phone. The problem starts when the same phone is released again under a new name. A couple of new colors are not enough to justify a brand new model. Releasing the Pixel 10a in this state feels less like innovation and more like rebranding. This situation makes it seem like Google has run out of ideas for the Pixel lineup. Instead of improving the phone or fixing known issues, the company appears to be playing it safe, or worse, doing nothing at all. That is disappointing, especially from a brand that usually pushes smart software features and long-term value. There were several upgrades that could have made the Pixel 10a more relevant and exciting. One of the most obvious improvements would have been a newer processor. Including the Tensor G5 instead of sticking with the older Tensor G4 would have helped future-proof the device. Even if the performance difference between the two chips is not huge, using the newer processor would have improved longevity and made the phone feel more modern. Another major area where Google should have focused is battery quality. Over the years, there have been multiple reports of battery problems in Pixel phones. Issues such as battery degradation, overheating, and unexpected performance drops have been reported across several models, including the Pixel 4a, Pixel 6a, and Pixel 7a. When problems appear repeatedly across different generations, it starts to look less like bad luck and more like a pattern. Battery reliability is one of the most important aspects of any smartphone, especially in the mid-range category where users expect long-term usability. Ignoring these concerns and releasing another phone without addressing them feels careless. Google should be setting a higher standard, not repeating the same mistakes. All of this makes the Pixel 10a feel like a missed opportunity. Instead of adapting to the current economic situation and hardware challenges, Google seems to be taking the easiest route possible. This approach weakens trust and raises questions about the future direction of the Pixel series. Of course, it is important to remember that all of this is based on leaks and rumors. However, Google's track record with leaks makes it hard to dismiss them. In the past, unannounced Pixel phones have appeared in online listings and even physical stores before their official launch. More often than not, the rumors turn out to be accurate. Even with this disappointment, the Pixel series is not finished. These phones are still among the best value Android devices on the market, thanks to strong software support, reliable cameras, and competitive pricing. One-week release is not enough to kill the lineup. Still, expectations are higher for a company like Google. The Pixel phone should be about smart compromises, not no progress at all. Releasing a phone that is almost identical to its predecessor sends the wrong message and risks making the series feel stale. The Pixel 10a could have been better. It could have been more future-ready, more reliable, and more exciting. Instead, it currently looks like a phone that did not need to exist. Google can do better, and hopefully, future Pixel models will prove that this series still has a clear purpose.